Are you tired of having 50 open tabs just to find three good sources for your essay or your research paper? What if an AI could read your mind and map out every relevant paper automatically? So, today we are unlocking Research Rabbit, the ultimate free AI tool that turns hours of literature review into minutes. So, first think of a Research Rabbit like a Spotify, but for academic papers. So, instead of creating a music playlist, you create a collection for a specific topic. Okay, so let's get started now. So we can type here any topic. So I'll just type creatine and click on search. Now we can see we got the result, and in total we have 2,290,000 papers. So now we can add two or three paper that already get great fit for your topic. So for example, I can choose the first and second one, and yeah, it's here. It's these two papers selected, and now we can save. So because we don't have any collection, so we can click on the create collection button, and you can I can just say test creatine and parent collection. I don't have all this, and now I can save this to test creatine. And okay, now next, um click on the search. So Research Rabbit instantly build a visual web connecting your paper to hundred of others. So we can see here, so this one connecting with the you can see this one. So this one connecting with the Walker, William, and so many others. And similarly, so this one connecting with so will with volume. So similarly, this one connecting with so many other papers. So basically, green dot are paper already in your collection, and blue dot are new recommendations. So for example, this one is your in a collection, and all the blue you can see all the blue ones are new recommendation. So now we can click on any dot to read abstract immediately without leaving the page. So for example, if I click on this, we can read this abstract, and we can click on any. So for example, I'll click on Walker. So here it doesn't have an abstract. You can check other. So here, so you can read this. So in y-axis, so you get more citation if you go higher. So for example, you can see, so this this one cited by 2.9k, and this one cited by 2.2k, and we can, and similarly we can check x-axis. So similarly in x-axis we can see more recent published paper. So for example, this one you can see 2003. So this one 1992, and now this one should be even newer, so 2006. So that's all for Resource Rabbit, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.